Have you ever found yourself wondering about the financial institutions that operate beyond the familiar names, those banks that might hold a unique position in the banking landscape? Perhaps you've heard whispers of a Patriot Bank multi-account financial organization and scratched your head, trying to pinpoint its exact location or even understand what that term truly signifies. If so, you're not alone. The world of finance is vast and often complex, filled with specialized terms and institutions that aren't always immediately clear to the average person. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to demystify Patriot Bank multi-account financial organization. We'll explore what this phrase might mean, delve into the identity of Patriot Bank itself, and uncover where you can find its services. This isn't just about finding a physical address, it's about understanding the nature of a financial entity, its reach, and the services it provides. So, let's cut through the jargon and get to the heart of the matter. First, let's address the term multi-account financial organization. In its simplest form, a multi-account financial organization refers to a financial institution that offers a variety of account types and services to its customers. This isn't a unique designation, but rather a descriptive term. Most modern banks and credit unions fit this description. They offer checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and various lending products like mortgages, personal loans, and business loans. They also typically provide online and mobile banking, ATM access, and other digital services that allow customers to manage multiple accounts from a single platform. So, when someone refers to a Patriot Bank multi-account financial organization, they're likely referring to a Patriot Bank that offers a comprehensive suite of financial products and services, allowing customers to hold and manage different types of accounts within that single institution. It's not a special type of legal entity, but rather a functional description of a full-service bank. Now that we've cleared up the multi-account financial organization part, let's zero in on Patriot Bank. The challenge here is that Patriot Bank isn't a single, monolithic entity with one singular location. In fact, there are several financial institutions across the United States that operate under the name Patriot Bank or a very similar variation. This can be a source of confusion, especially when trying to pinpoint the Patriot Bank. Let's break down some of the prominent Patriot Bank entities to help you understand their locations and offerings. One of the most well-known is Patriot Bank, N.A., headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut. This bank is a full-service financial institution serving communities in Fairfield and New Haven counties in Connecticut, as well as Westchester County, New York. Founded in 1994, Patriot Bank, N.A. offers a wide array of personal and business banking services. For individuals, they provide checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, certificates of deposit, and individual retirement accounts. They also offer various lending solutions, including mortgages, home equity lines of credit, and personal loans. For businesses, Patriot Bank, N.A. provides commercial loans, business checking and savings accounts, and cash management services. They are known for their community-centric approach, emphasizing personalized service and tailored financial solutions. You can find their physical branches primarily within these Connecticut and New York regions. Their online and mobile banking services, however, extend their reach to customers who prefer digital access, allowing them to manage their multiple accounts remotely. Then there's another Patriot Bank that operates out of Tennessee. This Patriot Bank, which opened in Millington, Tennessee, in 2001, primarily serves the growing markets of Memphis, Shelby County, Tipton County, and Fayette County in Tennessee. They have grown to include several full-service locations in towns like Arlington, Collierville, Covington, Rosemark, and Raleigh Springs, Memphis. This Patriot Bank also offers a wide range of consumer and commercial accounts, along with a significant mortgage division. Their focus is on strengthening local communities by providing strong financial resources and acting as a trusted local partner. Similar to the Connecticut-based Patriot Bank, they offer various account types for both individuals and businesses, emphasizing their role as a comprehensive financial organization within their specific service areas. It's crucial to note that these are distinct and separate institutions. While they share a similar name, their geographic footprints and corporate structures are different. This highlights why simply searching for Patriot Bank without further context can be misleading. Beyond these two prominent examples, you might also encounter Patriot Federal Credit Union, headquartered in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. While not a bank in the traditional sense, credit unions operate very similarly to banks, offering a wide range of multi-account financial services to their members. Patriot Federal Credit Union serves communities in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and West Virginia. They offer checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and various digital banking tools. The distinction here is that a credit union is member-owned, whereas a bank is typically publicly or privately owned. However, in terms of offering a multi-account financial organization experience, Patriot Federal Credit Union certainly fits the bill. And if you happen to be in Kansas or Missouri, you might come across Patriot's Bank, which is owned and operated by the Cooper family and has a long tradition of community banking in those states. Their locations include Garnett, Gardner, Ottawa, and Princeton in Kansas, and Lake Ozark in Missouri. They pride themselves on a human touch and local decision-making, offering a full range of personal and business banking services, thus functioning as a multi-account financial organization within their local communities. So, the answer to where is Patriot Bank multi-account financial organization isn't a single, definitive pinpoint on a map. Instead, it's a recognition that Patriot Bank is a name adopted by several independent financial institutions, each serving its own distinct geographical region. Each of these Patriot Banks functions as a multi-account financial organization, providing a comprehensive suite of banking products and services to their respective customer bases. To truly locate a Patriot Bank multi-account financial organization, you need to consider which specific Patriot Bank you're referring to or looking for. Are you in Connecticut, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, Kansas, or somewhere else entirely? Your location will largely determine which Patriot Bank is relevant to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.